Friends, if you're seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe. And if you liked it, like and share with your family and friends. And I keep waiting for your suggestions and comments. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you'll are fit and fine. Today we are going to make one curd preparation which is very easy, and it is like a everyday dish at home, and we call it moru curry in Malayalam, and this also can be used as an Onam sadhya dish. This is very easy because we are not going to grind anything and there is no coconut is used in this. We are going to use a different method. So I have taken 1.5 cup of curd. It's quite thick curd, and remember we need little sourish one. The curd is beaten well. I am going to add 1 cup of water into this. This, like I said, is a very thin preparation. For 1.5 cup of curd, you can use 1 to 1.5 cup of water. Only 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we are going to put 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. The mustard seeds start fluttering. Now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi dana or uluva. I have taken 1 inch ginger, cut thin slices, that is julienne cut, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Slice again, slice longish. I'm just going to fry till it becomes slightly brown. Add 2 green chilies sliced. Now we can add few curry leaves into it. Along with that, 7 to 8 small onions or the sambar onions sliced, and fry till it becomes light brown. Our onions are getting fried, it's become nice and brown. So this time we'll bring the flame low and we are going to put half teaspoon of haldi powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. We'll mix it nicely for 7 to 8 seconds, otherwise we will get burnt. And then we are going to pour our curd into it. Now we have to keep continuously stirring it, otherwise the curd will get curdled. So we should not stop mixing it, and we will not be mixing it so much, and we don't want this to get boiled. It should remain as it is and without getting it curdled. So we are going to keep mixing it for a few seconds. Just for some time, for the whole masala to be mixed nicely in the curd. Look at the color of it. All the masalas are all nicely mixing with the curd, and the curd consistency should be like this. It should be nice pouring consistency. Like I said earlier, this is going to be a very thin preparation. Mixed well. Now we'll put off the flame, and then we'll add the salt to it. I'm going to add half to 3/4 of teaspoon of salt. We'll taste it and see. Give a very nice mix and we are done. Our moru curry is ready and is looking so yummy. It is an ideal accompaniment for any steamed rice at any time, and Keralites love to have it along with their steamed rice or the white rice. This can be kept for a couple of days. So friends, try making it at home. Isn't it so easy? So try making it at home and let me know how you liked it. Till I come with another interesting video of especially the Onam special ones. Take very good care of yourself. See you. Bye bye.